Hello to all. Welcome to our YouTube channel Shriram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital Meerut. Myself Samira Siddiqui and today I am going to enhance our knowledge related to Nirgundi. Introduction. Vitex nigundo or Nirgundi is a deciduous shrub naturalized in many parts of the world. Some consider it to have originated in India and the Philippines. It is used in all systems of treatment, Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy and allopathy. Commonly used in folk medicine in India, Bangladesh, China, Philippines, Sri Lanka and Japan. It is used to treat a plethora of ailments ranging from headache to migraine, from skin infections to wounds, swellings, asthmatic pain, male and female sexual and reproductive problems. Referred to as Sindhuvara in Ayurveda, Nirgundi has been used as medicine since ancient times. Scientific classification. Common name Nirgundi, botanical name Vitex nigundo, kingdom Plantae, order Lamiaceae, family Lamiaceae, genus Vitex or species Vitex nigundo. Synonyms: Vitex cannabifolia cyboard, Vitex incisa, Trifolia Vitex, Vitex gracilis. मॉर्फोलॉजी. इसकी मॉर्फोलॉजी की बात करें तो ये एक इरेक्ट शर्ब है और स्मॉल ट्री जिसकी हाइट 2 to 8 सेंटीमीटर होती है. इसकी बाक रेडिश ब्राउन होती हैं और लीव्स डेजिटेट विथ 5 lanceolate leaflets, sometimes 3. Each leaflet is around 4 to 10 centimeter in height, with a central leaflet being the largest and possessing a stalk. The leaf edges are toothed or serrated and bottom surface is covered with hairs. Flower numerous and borne in penicil, 10 to 20 centimeter height. Each is around 6 to 7 centimeter long and are white to blue in color. The petals are of different length, with the middle lower lobe being the longest. Both the corolla and calyx are covered with dense hairs. Fruit succulent drupe, round to egg shape, black or purple when ripe. अब हम इसकी रिसेंट रिसर्चेस की बात करें तो निरगुंडी पे मेडिकल रिसर्चेस हुई हैं काफ़ी सारी, जिसके बारे में अब हम देखेंगे. फर्स्ट है फाइटोकेमिकल एंड फार्माकोलॉजिकल प्रोफाइल ऑफ वाइटेक्स निगुंडो. It contains about 120 compounds broadly classified as flavonoids, lignans, terpenoids, and steroids. Vitex nigundo and its antimicrobial activity, known for its role in the modulation of cellular events like apoptosis, cell cycle, polycystic ovarian syndrome. It perturbs many cancer signaling pathways involving PP38, PERK, and PJNK in LPS elicited cells. Many compounds of Vitex nigundo are commercialized and other are under investigation. Third, anti-inflammatory and anti-osteoporotic lignin from Vitex nigundo seeds. Chemical investigation of Vitex nigundo seeds offered 4 new lignins. Their structure elucidation was done by NMR, IR and MS. All 4 compounds were evaluated for their anti-inflammatory and anti-osteoporotic activity. Fourth, nitric oxide scavenging lignins from Vitex nigundo seeds. 4 isolated lignins were assessed on their ability to prevent nitric oxide production by LPS stimulated raw 264.7 macrophages. Introduction of free hydroxy group play vital role in the potency of these compounds. Fifth, effect of Vitex nigundo seeds in letrozole induced polycystic ovarian syndrome. The aqueous and hydroalcoholic extract of seeds of Vitex nigundo showed significant amelioration of letrozole induced polycystic ovarian syndrome. Sixth, larvicidal activity of essential oil from Vitex nigundo on dengue vector mosquito Aedes aegypti. Vitex nigundo essential oil kills aegypti and Calyx quincke fasciatus larvae. 50 to 125 ppm concentration was used in this. Caryophyllene was the major compound responsible for such activities in Vitex nigundo. Thank you.